back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a product that is supposed to make my edges look thicker. If you guys did not know, I do have thin edges. It's not something I really talk about because it's something I'd rather come back with a solution for as opposed to just complaining about it. So yeah, as you can see here, my edges are on the thin side. And before you guys even tell me, I am going to give rice water a try. So yeah, that is definitely on my list of things to try. But that's not what this video is about. Today I'm going to be trying the NaturAll Flaxseed Edge Control Black. And if you look here, it says it covers gray roots. This is supposed to be just a quick fix for those of you who have gray roots growing in, or someone like me who has thin edges but wants to make them appear fuller. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys the consistency. It's kind of like a paste. They did give me an edge brush as well, so this is what it looks like when you dip the brush in. So as you guys can see, my hair is in a bonnet right now. I'm just gonna take this off and style my hair really quick, and then I'm going to lay down my edges. You guys can see here, my edges are looking thicker, so really excited to see how this turns out. So what I'm gonna do now is take my scarf that I normally use to lay my edges and just lay this bad boy down. I'm just gonna set my timer for about 20 minutes and let this sit. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add some lock jewels into these buns just to spice it up a bit. Alright, and now I'm gonna take off my scarf because my timer is up. Alright you guys, so try to ignore the line on my forehead as best as you can. So these are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This definitely feels like it's going to hold my hair. I really hope it does, because yeah, that'd be pretty sad. I put lots of time and effort into this style, so let me know down below if this is something that you would be interested in purchasing. And if you do want to purchase it, you can always use my code, which is NaturAllK, for a percentage off of your purchase. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be doing a giveaway for this product. So if you want to win this product, the giveaway rules are actually really simple. You want to follow me on Instagram at _KAYALEX, that is _KAlex. You also want to follow NaturAll Club on Instagram at NaturAll Club. I will be sure to leave both Instagram accounts down below for you guys. All you have to do after that is comment on my giveaway photo, not my IG tutorial, because both will be on my Instagram. Comment on the photo of this hairstyle. So make sure you follow those 3 rules, and that is all you have to do. The giveaway will be open for 1 week. I am going to put the dates on the screen as well as down below in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.